All right, let's get out of here.
I spoil your little party? Ha ha! It is I, Aquaman, son of Atlan, heir to the throne of Atlantis. I must say, King Shark, your mother would be most displeased to find you in this plebeian company.
You're not my dad!
That is contrary to what she said. Ahoy! Let us now dispense with the levity. I am going to need the Atlantean jewels with which you have absconded.
Bravo! What magnificent word choice! You are truly the Shakespeare of the sea!
I prefer to think of myself as the Dickens of the deep.
Hey, Deep Dickens, let's wrap up this episode of Frasier so we can get back to getting the hell out of here.
She certainly is that.
What did that dolphin say about me?
Oh, I don't speak dolphin. I know a little porpoise, but it's...
What villainous reject have you deigned to summon?
Did somebody call for kelp?
Unkelp me, plant witch!
Let's go.
Yes, run, run! I, Aquaman, will retrieve my family's jewels, and the sirens will sing of my revenge for eternity! Ow!
Goddamn fuck!
It is I, Aquaman, son of Atlan, heir to the throne of...
Oh, to you!
To the throne of... You two stole my family jewels.
Your balls.
Oh, grow up, Sinestro. I know that was you.
You have no...
I warned you and you paid me no heed. So now, taste the salty brine of my sweet...
Shit.
Call off your dogs, Luthor. Not everyone has to suffer at my hands today. This is between me and them.
By them, I think you mean me. Hello, Arthur.
David, it's not always about you.
But it's not about me either.
Ivy!
May Poseidon have mercy on your soul.
Hey, Fish Dick! Why don't you go back to the ocean?
Otherwise known as the world's toilet! Oh, so no ocean jokes. It seems like politically correct culture is killing the comedy. No.
Oh, what have I done, my brothers? No, my brothers!
Look, I am stomping on your fish! Stop it!
Bane, stop it!
Hey, there's a YMCA pool down the street!
Oh, yeah. Just throw saltwater fish into a chlorinated pool. Water's water, I guess. Come on!
What are you, 4? Huzzah!